Changzhou Haosheng Vehicle Parts Company Limited is an international B2B auto parts company. It is a design, development, production and sales auto parts refitting factory with advanced development and production equipment and over 20 units CNC, focused on design mold over 20 years. So we have strength power to offer custom-made service every year, spend over $770,000 to design new mold. Also has 5 units automated paint production line and for units blowing mold machine too. The company mainly focuses on car spoilers, but it also offers front lip, rear lip, side skirt, roll bar, rear diffuser lip and other exterior accessories. Haosheng now ships to over 220 countries and regions worldwide, ships from over 10,000 SKU in warehouses China. Haosheng continues to thrive due in part to the company's values in controlling the excellence of in-house production. Haosheng aims to provide the quality auto parts while also being dedicated to quality, value and service. Our company adheres to the tenet of being practical, doing things conscientiously, quality first, customer first, and not only products produced by factories, but more importantly, quality and reputation. I believe that the company will develop with customers at home and abroad at a fast and steady pace. May our professionalism and enthusiasm work hand in hand with you to create brilliant future.